Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. WTI fades upside momentum below $43 despite fears of storms. http ntvforex.com News IDABDA 5B 6 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. WTI eases from $42.76, still snaps two-day losing streak. 57.6% Gulf of Mexico oil production was down due to storms Laura and Macro. Erica's oil minister suggests further production at home. Despite recently declining from the intraday top of $42.76 to currently around $42.51, WTI prints 0.50% intraday gains ahead of Tokyo Open on Monday. The energy benchmark began the week with an uptick from $42.30 towards making the day's high amid the initial hour of trading. While the US dollar's strength and the coronavirus COVID-19 fears could be cited as negatives, storms marching towards the Gulf of Mexico are the latest positives for the black gold. Reuters came out with the news during the weekend suggesting that producers halted 240,785 barrels per day of oil production and 119 million cubic feet per day of natural gas output before noon on Saturday, said regulator U.S. Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement. Crews were evacuated from 6 production and 4 drilling rigs. Another 7 drilling vessels were moved out of the storm's paths elsewhere. Iraqi oil minister Jabbar al-Uabi crossed wires, via Reuters, while saying that the country produces 5 million barrels per day BPD and the production could ramp up to 7 million BPD by 2025. The news follows the downbeat demand forecasts by the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC and its allies. The group is known as OPEC. It should be noted that the US dollar's bounce off 27-month low and the market's rush towards equities join downbeat energy demand expectations due to the virus to weigh on the commodity prices. That said, S&P 500 futures rise 0.22% to 3,400 by the press time. Considering the lack of any oil-specific data, market players will keep eyes on the storm's headlines and the U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index, prior 4.11, for fresh impetus. Technical analysis: although an ascending trend line from the mid-June, currently around $41.50, restricts the quota's short-term downside, buyers are less likely to have a bumpy road unless breaking the monthly high near $43.65. Additional important levels overview: today last price 42.5, today daily change 0.20, today daily change percent 0.47%, today daily open 42.3, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 41.99, daily SMA 50 40.81, daily SMA 100 34.69, daily SMA 200 42.62, NBSP levels: previous daily high 43, previous daily low 41.51, previous weekly high 43.3, previous weekly low 41.51, previous monthly high 42.52, previous monthly low 38.73, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 42.08, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 42.43, daily pivot point S1 41.54, daily pivot point S2 40.78. Daily pivot point S3 40.05, daily pivot point R1 43.03, daily pivot point R2 43.76, daily pivot point R3 44.52, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.